welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play the opening credits theme from The Good Place. I've linked in the description below the full theme for this. So we're going to start with the intro first, and you're going to be playing some chords quite high up. So for reference, here is middle C, and then you need to be starting 2 C's above middle C, so in this octave. And the first chord is an A major inversion, which is C sharp, E and A. And you're going to spread it like this, as quickly as you can. So not play together, spread. And then the next chord, we're going to an F major inversion, which is E, C and F, and you're going to do the same thing. And then it's going to go up 1 to B and G, that you're going to play together, and then back up to this A chord again. So it's in a 3-time signature. So the timing goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And then that's the intro for the right hand. So the left hand is playing the same couple of chords most of the way through the song. So it's starting with an A major root position chord. As you saw in the preview, I'm playing it like this. What's actually happening with the rhythm is going. It's doing something along them lines, but because there's also percussion in there as well, that helps drive the piece of music. So we're going to play on the triplet beats to help drive the song with the left hand. There we have an A major root position chord this time, so it's A, C sharp and E. And then it's going down to F major root position chord, which is F, A, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then with the right hand in the intro, that fits together like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1. And then it's into this melody line. So in the right hand, it's going. So there we have C sharp, B, C sharp, F, C, E, D, A. And then the left hand is still playing those same chords over that. So before that starts, it has one of these again, and then it's into that. So with the left hand, that fits together like this. And then it goes back up here again. And then the next little melody line is similar, so it goes C sharp, B, C sharp, F, G, B, A, E. Let's try that again. And then the left hand with that starts off in the same way. So we've got the A's, and the F, and then it's going down to a C sharp minor chord, which is C sharp, E and G sharp. And then that's moving down to C major, which is C, E and G. So I'll put that little section together. So then the right hand just repeats that first melody line, but the left hand does something ever so slightly different. So I'll show you. And then instead of going back to the A major in the left hand, you're going to stay on the F major. And now for the ending part, it goes back up to there again. and then back to A major in the left hand. And then the right hand outro is going C sharp, B, C sharp, F, G, B, A, and then A and C sharp. I'll play that again. And the left hand is playing the A major and F major with that as well. So I'll put that together. And then it ends on an A major chord that you could spread. And then the piece is also slowing down towards the end as well. So there are all the sections needed to play the song. It's quite a short one. I think it's a cool, quirky little piece of music. So thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to Bitesize Piano for many more tutorials like these. If you have any requests, please comment below. I look forward to chatting with you all in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!